Hi guys, since hindi kami pinayagan pumunta ng Kyoto, we decided to go in Omeda Sky Tower. So here's the downtown in Osaka. And they also have this scrambled crossing or like a wide crossing in Osaka going to that Sky Tower Omeda. Yan na nga, excited na ako. May patakbo-takbo pa. Yay! Waiting in line, going to 40th floor. Ayan, excited na kami. Worth the wait ang pag-aantay namin. Ayan. So, picture ko muna kayo, friends. At natataka na din. Pumasok na kami. And we're about to enjoy the sunset, the view. And of course, enjoying with my friends, with the glow in the dark aisle. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Ang ganda. Mapapa-thank you Lord ka na lang talaga. Thank you Lord. See? May pag-zoom in pa ako dyan. Oh, ha? Sino kayo dyan? Ang ganda ng Osaka. Promise. I love Osaka already. You see? Kulang yung 2 days. But thank you Lord. Thank you so much. And of course, dahil nagtatapos na dyan ang sightseeing namin, pababa na kami going to have a drink. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pantanggal ng kaba ng isa kong friend dyan. Sunday muna while enjoying the view. Sarap, diba? Sorry guys, hindi nyo kinaya. Cheers! So, ayan. Enjoy the view. And thanks for watching guys. Love, love!